Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear children, welcome back to my next lecture of area related to circles. So today we'll be discussing the chapter area related to circles, and we will be discussing the area of sector. So let us first see what actually the sector is. So I'll be discussing here as a sector. A sector is a region or part of circle. Part of circle. Circle we can write here like this. A sector is a region or a part of circle which is bound by two radii and an arc of a circle. So this is the sector. Now I will be just showing you here diagrammatically. You can see here I have drawn a circle. You can see here this is the radius. I will name it as OA. Suppose I will draw another radius OB. Now you can see this region between these two radii and this arc. This is called the sector. This is called the sector. We name it as sector. But one more thing is there. You can see remaining part of the circle over here, which is left over here. The remaining part of the circle, if you can just see here, you can check here. It is again bound by these two radii and the much larger arc of the circle. Isn't this a sector? Yes, it is also a sector. But the difference is this is called as minor sector and this will be the major sector. Major sector. Okay. So one more thing is there related to this sector. There is an angle between these two radii. This is called as sector angle. We call this as sector angle. It is represented by theta. You can read this is read as theta. Theta. It has got some value. Sometimes 60 degrees, sometimes 90 degrees, sometimes 45 degrees. It can be anything. Okay. Now this sector, it has got an area. We can find the area of that sector. That is the formula. Area of sector is equal to area of sector. That is like this. Sector angle divided by 360 degree, because here at the point center of the circle the complete angle is formed, multiplied by area of the circle, okay. In short, we can write sector angle as theta divided by 360 into pi r square, isn't it? This is the area of the circle, sector. Now one more thing is there. You can see here AB, it is an arc, isn't it? Whether it is a minor arc or it is a major arc. We can find the length of arc as well. Length of arc can be found when we have been given the radius and sector angle. As I mentioned it as theta. It can be found length of an arc of the sector. Length and arc of the sector can be found if we are given the radius and the sector angle. There's another, again, the formula for finding the length of arc. It is like this. Length of arc of a circle, of a sector rather, is equal to, again, sector angle divided by 360, complete angle, but into circumference of the circle, isn't it? Okay. Now one more thing is there. In short, you can write here. Sector angle is theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. This is the length of arc, isn't it? Very simple. Now in the form of example, I'll be doing the first question, then you should be able to do the rest of the exercise. You can just see as an example of exercise 12.2. Okay, 12.2. There's a first question there. I'll be reading it and then you should be able to do the rest of the chapter. It's a very simple chapter, very easy chapter. not much time consuming. You can see here, find the area of the sector of the circle. You see here, you can see, simple, very simple. This is the radius I have drawn AB, OA, okay. OA is the radius of the circle. It is 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter is radius. Okay, what else is given? If the sector angle is 60 degree. Okay, this is 60 degree. Can't be this be 60 degree? Yeah. 60 degree, this is B. AOB is the sector. AOB extra, that is the sector. We need to find it this area. I'll be doing it. You just see here, radius R is 6 centimeter. Then theta is equal to 60 degree. Therefore, area of sector, isn't it, equals to theta upon 360 into pi r square, isn't it? So theta is 60 degree divided by 360 into pi, 22 by 7. R is radius, 6 into 6, isn't it? 0, 0, 6 1 r, 6 6 r, 6 1 r, 6 1 r. Am I right? 6 2 or 12, 6 2 or 12, 13, 132 by 7 centimeter square. This is how easy it was. 132 by 7 centimeter square is the area of this sector, isn't it? So this way you can just find the area of the sector for any sector you should, but you need, that's the radius of the circle and this what we call the sector angle. Okay, I hope you have understood it well. So we'll be coming up with few more examples of this area related to sector with different situations and different conditions. So this will be next class. Till then, fi amanillah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.